Bonjour mesdames et messieurs, my name is Serge Ramelli. I'm a French photographer from the amazing, the romantic city of Paris. And I want to give you some free Lightroom presets that's going to turn your photo and retouch them in one click. I want to give you some skies that you can just put over your photos and make them from boring to dramatic. I want to give you some textures that can make your portrait look awesome, and some weather brushes you can use in Photoshop to create weather effects. I'm going to give you also videos along with it so you can learn how to use it. This is all free. All you have to do to get it is click here.